So IGA, PAN, and post-strep-gen are examples of what? I'll give you a hint. It's either you have 25% chance to get the answer. It's either type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Think about it, right? Think about it. I'll show you. Let me just move my stuff here. There's a lot of stuff on my screen. So we have here different types, right? So a lot of us say, come on, man, I know this. Well, okay, good. I know you know it. Don't expect just to know this. Anaphylaxis is fast, and this is antibody, and this is, complex mediated, and this is delayed. Yeah, that's cool. But they're going to go deeper. They're going to ask you examples, right? So let me show you this. Type 3 is SLE. Think of a pattern. When I talk like this, I'm trying to project. I'm trying to show you how I think, because I want you guys to think this way. I'm like, I don't have time to read everything. I can't study 2 years of medical school back in a couple of months. It's not possible. So there's a way around this, right? This is where I'm showing you these techniques. We have SLE, 3 letters. Forget about these for now. PAN, 3 letters. IGA, 3 letters. Post-strep-GN, now it's infectious because they changed the name. It used to be post-strep. As you know, staff can do the same thing. Calls up and says, hey, I want to change the name. I don't want post-strep. I do the same thing too. So now they make it infectious. The name is infectious. It's both staph and strep. Works better for us because it's 3 letters. If you can, I don't want you to memorize this because you don't have time to memorize. There's a lot to memorize. You won't remember it. If you remember the techniques I show you, yeah, you have a better chance than many of you know the techniques already because you've been here for a little bit, right? So type 3 is 3 letters. Boom. 3, 3, 3, and 3. Now you're like, Star Wars, how about this? All right, well, there's a little, obviously separated one because this is different, but you can remember RA and RA, rheumatoid arthritis and reactive arthritis. By the way, reactive arthritis, there's a triad. I want the triad in the answer choices here in the chat. If you can remember the triad to reactive arthritis, that'd be great. I like to hear that and see that. So now we go back. We say, okay, we could take out IGA. That's a type 3. Boom, just take it out because you can't have 3 answers, right? PAN, that's also type 3. And then post-strep. Yeah, Stavros said post-strep is like staph and strep. They changed it to infectious, IGN, whatever. Boom, out. So automatically, can't see, can't pee, can't climb a tree. I love it. You know what the problem with that is? You guys are all right. But when you answer questions, I've seen people get it wrong because they know can't pee, can't see, can't climb a tree. And then when they see scenarios, which you will see many with us, you acclimate the terms like arthritis, conjunctivitis, urethritis. They get tricky on writing the words in the scenario. So I love that you know the triad. Congrats, guys. Now, when you do MSK, and you'll see these questions with me, you'll see how tricky they are. But with me, we're going to get through it together. Yes, awesome. So now we're down to 2. I don't know. We have AIHA, and we have GVHD. Now, GVHD is a nice, I like it, because whatever I say I like is not because I think it's fun. I'm a test taker and a test writer. So if I tell you it's fun, it's because I know I could probably write questions on it and get you all to get it wrong. That's my purpose as a test writer. As a test taker, I do the opposite. I hack the system to make you guys pass. So I'm on both ends, actually, to show you how to pass the test, right? Kind of cool.